Hi everyone, let's take a look on how we can create this presentation. See, the effect is not working, so how we can fix that? So the effect is start working. You see, the effect has its own problem, but it's working, it's great. So let's start. At first, we need a picture. You can add it and get it from everywhere you want. The picture is up to you. Then format the background and insert the picture from the background, the picture you want. You can also add it from the stock image. You find this image, add brush, add a stock image. Then after that, you need to do what? You need to create this effect. So how we create this effect? Let me show you how we create this. It's really easy. We insert a new slide, and in new slide we insert a text box and write D in that. It's up to you what you write, but DHE is always going to be nice. Choose the font to overdrive sunset, increase it in size. Then just simply you need to create a lot of copy of that with holding shift and copy to create your view. And after that you need to insert a shape here to fill all the holes. Okay, we simply fill 90% of the holes. Then press Ctrl A and make them onion. What the hell is that? I don't really understand what I do wrong, but let's cut them and select these things and make them onion. Then paste them, select them. Okay. Now this thing is fixed. We are going to send it to have the slide background. Then copy this picture, paste it here, and send it to back. You see, the effect is kind of not the thing that we want because it's rotated. Now we can change it easily. How? We save the background from here. We save the background. Okay. And after that, in this slide, we copy this picture. And from here, we set the, we copy the picture. And from here, we set the background to be the picture, clipboard. Now the background is like that. We just simply need to insert our shape, our picture, increase it in size, then send it to back. Some of you may ask, what? This is fixed. Now just a little text for better view, and then copy that. And don't forget to apply it to all. And the copy, increase the size. And just simply your thing is done. Let's take a look and set the transition to morph. You see, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.